Hi guys, today we will see how to install Golang on Mac M1 chip. Go to official website and download the and just click on download. Now we have a Mac OS package, but it is for Intel. You can see that here. But M1 chip is ARM based, so you have to download ARM package, Darwin ARM 64 package. Just click OK. The installer has been opened automatically after downloading. Now it will just guide you to install the Go. Just follow the instructions. Yeah, that's all. The installation has been completed. So now if you have any open previously opened sessions, terminal sessions, just close them and reopen the terminal and see if the Go command is available. Yeah. So our Go installation is completed successfully. We can see the installed version here. Thank you guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more updates.